Hello and welcome. Today we will solve forces in member AB and BC and CA. So first of all we will take a free body diagram of the whole structure. Select a joint with the less than or equal to two unknown members. Like I select joint B. At joint B there is one unknown AB and BC. This is unknown and 400 is known. So if I draw a free body diagram in the coordinate xy coordinate, so it will look like that. AB angle with the horizontal axis will 30 and BC angle with the horizontal axis 60 and 400 pounds act on point B. So if I resolve AB into its component, so AB cos theta its horizontal component and AB sin theta it will be its AB vertical component. So if I resolve BC into its component, so BC cos of 60 degree. If this angle is with y-axis, then it will be BC sin of 60 and BC cos of 60. But it will be opposite of this. Make an angle with the horizontal axis. That's why the horizontal component will be BC cos of 60 degree and vertical component will be BC sin of 60 degree. Now take summation of all horizontal forces equal to 0. This is negative and the force directed toward right, it will be positive. So AB cos of 30 degree, it is directed toward right. So AB cos of 30 degree in this joint, one is horizontal force is this AB component. So AB cos of 30 degree negative, BC cos of 60 degree. So this its direction is at this side. Resolve it with head to tail rule. So its direction will be toward left. So negative BC cos of 60 degree equal to 0. It will become BC. So AB will become equal to BC cos of 60 degree divided by cos of 30 degree. This is equation 1. So summation of all vertical forces at this joint will equal to 0. Summation of Fy equal to 0 or all vertical forces, like this is one vertical force and this is another vertical force and this is third vertical force. So negative 400 this, and AB the force directed toward up will be positive. So AB sin of 30 degree, AB sin of 30 degree, and this is also directed up. BC cos of 60 degree, BC cos of 60 degree equal to 0. So this equation, for example, this is equation 1. So this equation 2. So this equation I will put it in this equation 1. So negative 400 plus BC 0. This is cos of 60 divided by cos of 30 degree will be equal to 0.577, and BC sin 60 equal to 0.866. So BC will become equal to 400 divided by 0.866 and 0.577. If you calculate it on your calculator, so BC will become equal to 277 pound. So BC value is 277 pound. Here is BC value is 277 pounds. Okay. After that, this BC value I will put in this to get AB value. So AB value equal to, at the place of BC I will plug 277. So 277 cos of 60 degree divided by cos of 30 degree. So if you calculate it on your calculator, it will become AB equal to 160 pounds. So AB value is 160 pounds. 160 pounds AB value. I will take joint C. At joint C there is two member. One is this member. At joint C one is BC member and the another is AC member. So only these two member. In these two member, one is known and only AC is unknown. So we will find AC member. So if I take joint C and draw it in XY coordinate, so BC, this will be BC and AC. If I resolve it, this is not purely in horizontal or not purely in vertical. So I will draw it its component and resolve it into its components. So BC cos of 30 degree and BC sine of 30 degree. So summation of all horizontal force is equal to 0. The force directed toward left will be taken as negative and the force directed toward right will be taken as positive. So AC negative AC because it's directed toward left, plus BC because it is directed toward right. So plus BC cos of 30 degree equal to 0. AC will become equal to BC cos of 30 degree. So AC will become equal to, at the place of BC I will put its value, which is 0.277 cos of 30 degree as it is. So AC will become equal to 240 pounds. So force in member AC will equal to 240 pounds. Okay, thank you very much.